Last night, my coworker Amy sent me a message telling me she had a list of employees being transferred to the marketing department and asked me to make the necessary changes in Active Directory. Now, transferring employees to a new department isn't hard, but we do a few things to make that happen. First, we move the users to a new OU. Then, in the user properties, we select the personal category to adjust the user's department and manager. Finally, we adjust the user's group membership by taking them out of the group for their previous department and adding them to the group for their new department. So that's what I did for Amy. I took the list of users she emailed me, and I used the Import User Changes tool to apply those changes to all of the users in her file. Mission accomplished, right? Well, yes and no. The update went well, but this morning I got this terrible follow-up from Amy. Hi Ernie, about those users I asked you to move to marketing. I accidentally sent you the wrong file yesterday. Here's the right one. Sorry about that. So now what? I've got dozens of users in the wrong OU, with bad departments, managers, and group membership, and even worse, I have no record of what the old values were. How do I even start fixing this? Luckily, ADHQ has a solution for this nightmare scenario. In version 9.4, we introduced a new view called Run History, which shows all the recent changes performed in ADHQ and gives you a way to roll back any modified objects to their previous state. So let's take a look at last night's actions and see what happened. We'll scroll back to yesterday and we see the Import User Changes tool. It was run at 6:30 by me, and it modified 185 objects. We can open one of these objects, like Charles, and see that his department was changed from sales to marketing, and his distinguished name, manager, and member of attributes were also changed. So let's use the Rollback feature to solve our problem. We'll click Rollback and select Rollback All to undo the changes for all 185 users. In the Rollback dialog, we see that the department, distinguished name, manager, and member of attributes will be restored. And that looks good, so let's click Start to begin the rollback. And there we go. All of our users have their attributes restored to their original values. So let's close the Rollback dialog and take a look at Charles again. And now we can see that his original value was sales. It was changed to marketing, but now it's back to sales. And that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. So now I can go back to Amy and make the changes again with the right file. Crisis averted. If you're ready to take control of Active Directory, grab a trial of ADHQ from our website at javelinasoftware.com/ADHQ.